absolute.
Where's that 8mm?
What do you need, Luke?
8mm? Anyone got 8mm?
8mm?
8mm, mate.
So I want to match it, yeah.
Do you need, mate?
Good shout. Good shout.
I'm not the 8mm.
What do you what do you need, Luke?
A fucking gun now!
Hello and welcome back to yet another video.
Cole, you couldn't have said that any more boring.
Well, I had distractions.
Hello.
Today
Welcome to a really boring video.
is a special episode of The Real Patch because I have Dumb and Dumber. I have Tommy and Luke with me. You might remember Tommy and Luke from previous episodes such as Crush Cancer Not Cars when we drove to Romania and back. Guys, welcome. Welcome to the washroom. I've enlisted your help to do things with this today. Oh, nice gloves. I feel like Spider-Man. I've enlisted the help of Luke, Tommy, and of course Richard to clear out the entire inside of my BMW, strip everything completely. I do warn you both now, it smells horrific.
Rancid.
Rancid.
Is the word I'd use.
We stripped a golf at work and there had been a litter of kittens in there through the winter and it was full of cat poo.
Nice. Well, this is rat poo.
Patrick, are you sweating already?
I am beading.
You are, yeah.
Like, absolutely.
Just saw it run down your forehead.
It's hot.
It's really warm
Mildly
today.
moist, but
Tommy, just for a record, my battery is flashing. And I thought this was the charge one.
smart were you?
We used to work together.
You lift me up so I can stand on axles. Because of my chaos, I'm actually quite an OCD organised person. It stresses me out to just think we're going to move that out. What we're going to do with it when it's out. I know we're going to clean it or store it.
Well, that's it, but we need to get it all out so we can then figure out what
So
to
just
do.
getting it out. Essentially.
Literally, we'll get it out, we'll space it out so I can then see
Three
what's
people to help
inside.
you do that.
Right.
Tom, just get it out.
I mean, I'm about to do it.
Me too.
Bye.
You're taking out the wiring room, is that correct?
Yes, I am. Look at some cokes. What's that? Is that a cock? It's a cock.
For reference, we found our new favourite Instagrammer and he rates cock crawls. But his tagline is, what, Luke?
Let's look at some cocks.
Don't do that,
Why?
because it will come out when I take everything else out.
Yes. Yes.
How heavy this is!
Okay.
Let's look at some cocks.
He's good at this stuff.
Look at him go, oh my god.
You're going to break the trim.
You don't want it, do you?
The rear boot trim, yeah.
Oh, right.
For the poo.
Done all the hard work trying to get this loom out. Come on, let me have it.
Listen, wait.
It's the electronic control unit for the boot.
Why is it all connected?
The left bone connected to the boot bone. Wait!
Oh, and there's the fury.
He's getting the thing off, he's getting the bung off.
I want it this way. You're not helping.
There you go. Cable guy.
And this looks like a good module.
This is chaos.
Hang on, let's do a little Maguire sect, just like the old time.
With APC,
buckets.
ultimate wheel cleaner,
APC.
wheel cleaner,
Yeah.
you need shampoo in there,
Yeah.
and you need that, because that's all your things for your wash.
Yeah.
In here, you've got your accessories. This is the S245, this is a bag that I designed.
Yeah. Nice plug.
That your accessories go in there like that. And then this is just your kit bag for everything that you need day to day at the shows.
Yeah.
And your gloves.
We've got interior,
Yeah, okay.
play, then we have another interior.
Okay.
Oh, no, detail, sorry.
Yeah, detail, yeah.
Shut up.
Yep.
Shit here, it needs clearing.
Hang on, I'm doing his Maguire section.
And then this is everything you can just take with you to the racetrack, to the show. That's everything you need. And then, if you need to top up, you've got everything in there.
Oh my god, there's so much product.
Yes, I know.
Are these wings welded on?
Where's that 8mm?
It's busy, so it's preoccupied.
I'm not entirely sure how these come out, you know. I'll take them off, but then...
You hit it?
You hit it?
Yeah.
Not hit that.
I said don't hit it.
Sorry.
You absolute prick. You started filming!
To take out the
Not buy them anymore, Thomas.
No, I don't think we had to pull that bit out. Let's go. Hey, how's that back?
There's got to be a way.
Oh, hang on a minute.
What's that?
Have you done all 4 of yours?
Yeah.
I haven't even done all 4 of mine. Can I have the 8 back, please? By the way, Luke.
Yeah.
You just hit them. So you've broken that trim for nothing.
It's not even the trim, it's the actual light.
It's part of the actual light, yeah.
Fuck's sake.
But you won't see it because the boot's shut.
Oh, I just need to put my map in. Oh my god.
You unplugged it. I did.
Oh, that was already unplugged. Guys, should we have a little update? Yeah?
Yeah, car stripped.
Luke, you want to update?
Yeah. We got.
What's the update, Luke?
Yeah, loom's out. It's on the floor there, look.
Okay, nice. What are you doing?
I'm doing the best I can.
Haven't seen my face in a while, and I'm sweating. What's new? Also, I've resorted back to filming on my iPhone because my batteries haven't charged.
Sorry, what?
Huh?
Making content.
I'm cutting this now. Sorry, mate.
Sorry, mate. Making
Sorry.
content.
Yeah. Batteries.
Content that have a fancy camera.
Charge. Yeah.
Oh, Daddy!
Luke, do you want to finish your job off from inside? Hands on! You little...
You told me to pull.
The lesser spotted, Patrick, in his natural habitat.
around. I have done most of the work.
He's done this.
Luke's
I don't
blown
know what he's done.
Luke's blown a fuse. Good solid shell though.
Hey,
It's a good shout.
good.
So basically, Patrick and I had to finish the job at the rear of the car.
Yeah. Remind us why you're here.
Oh
God.
that was.
To bring the average age up.
What do you need? What do you need, Luke?
8mm, 10mm.
I think you're kneeling on it.
Not the rat shit.
With the 8mm on it, I had it in there.
Anyone got 8mm?
Still going on.
8mm?
8mm, mate.
Sorry, what, the ratchet? Yeah.
What do you need, mate?
It's a good shout. Good shout.
I've not the 8 though.
So the update is that's now ready to come out with a couple of screws inside. Tommy, if you want to do that.
I'm on that, sorry.
This ratchet doesn't fit that.
Alright.
You didn't say what ratchet you needed.
Specific.
10mm.
Yeah,
No, whoa, you said 8mm. Right?
yeah, you did. It's coming together. It's coming together. I'm very sweating. It's very warm today.
Hey.
Is it?
It's close.
Very close, very muggy. But the inside at the rear is looking fantastic.
Do you know what I've never noticed before?
What's that, mate?
How tall Richard is.
He's 6'4".
Tall.
How have you not noticed that?
No.
Well, you're.
What, mate?
What's he, mate?
What?
Sorry, mate.
Why are you being...
We've got 10mm.
I'm proud of you guys. What do you what do you need, Luke?
A fucking 10mm! Oh my god. I'm gonna use it. Fuck it.
You're on route.
11!
Okay, so after a long slog
Patrick put the shelves up.
of me putting shelves up, which I didn't film, but they're now
I
up
did.
and hosting.
I filmed it, we can put that in.
Can you send me the clips?
Patrick's been putting his shelf up since 6:30.
You only put one up.
Yeah.
You didn't see the pain of him putting it out.
Okay, I missed that. Okay.
Anyway, they're done. But the BMW, which was the main thing, is absolutely stripped clean thanks to these three.
Well, me.
Sorry, just mostly Tom.
What am I?
But I'm very appreciative. Hope you've enjoyed the four-way team here. And what's your YouTube channel? That we should now.
So at the moment it's still going to be a work in progress because I'm kind of nervous about filming. Weirdly, because I don't mind being on the camera, but when you do it on your own, it's different. But we're going to do. It's Tommy Teapot, but it's a us thing, isn't it? And we're going to. Sorry, I left him. We're going to just document track days and car culture and stuff like this and the things that we do together forever.
All the things.
All of the car stuff.
Cool. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. More E36 content to come soon.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye.